This is about a night curfew that will now be in place in Noida, that is in Uttar Pradesh, adjacent to Delhi, till the 17th of April. This information is coming in as the number of COVID cases continue to be on the upward trend, not just in Delhi, but also in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We've seen some of the highest numbers coming in from the state capital, Lucknow, and now a decision has been taken by the Noida authorities that there will be a night curfew in place from the 17th till the 17th of April. Nikhil is joining us with more details on this story. Nikhil, when, first of all, will this night curfew start? And secondly, what are the timings for the night curfew?
Okay, so Maha, starting from today, night curfew has been imposed in Noida district after Delhi. And starting from today, from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., this is going to last until 17th of April. However, all movement of essential goods, services or medical services are exempted from the particular order by the district administration. And all this while, all government, private educational institutes, they are barred from holding physical classes. All this while, no physical classes will take place. So starting from today, in the district administration of Noida, night curfew has been imposed. But Maha, I would like to add here that even in normal days, markets, particularly in Noida, used to close by 10 p.m. max to max. By 11 p.m., all the markets used to be closed here, and the district administration was already strict. And in the last few days, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath held a meeting with the DMs of the districts where the surge was taking place. The cases were increasing.
That's
and
right.
Chief Minister ordered to the DMs where the cases were rising on a daily basis, where the cases are going beyond 100.
Okay.
They have guided that, to take strict actions and to impose night curfew. So starting from today, night curfew has been imposed in the district administration of Noida, and this is going to last until 17th April.
Nikhil, last time around when we had seen a lockdown being imposed, and this, let me clarify, is only a night curfew right now that has been imposed in both Noida and that is on in Delhi as well. There were problems in the movement of people because this becomes an interstate issue. Will certain passes be issued for those who are conducting essential work?
Yes, definitely, Maha. Passes will be issued by the district administration beforehand, and the administration is very much prepared for the same. But as it is starting from today, and there was not guidelines directed beforehand, so I guess starting from today, it will not be very much strict. But in the coming days, more passes will be issued to those who will be allowed to operate. As I told you, the essential services will be allowed to operate all this while.
Nikhil, many thanks for joining us with those details.